I take each one of these, like my hot water, 0.65 pounds, and I times that by how much pollen sub I have. So it would be 0.65 times 6 3/4 pounds. And this is what I get. So I need 4.38 pounds of water, hot water. And it's going to be like that for each one. So for the sugar, you need 1.6 pounds of sugar for every pound. So we're going to multiply that by 6 3/4 pounds, and I get 10.8. Vegetable oil, it takes 2 cups for a 10-pound bucket, but if you're making it by the pound, it's 2.5 tablespoons per pound. I have 6 3/4 pounds, so it's 6 3/4 times 2.5, which gives me 16.87 teaspoons. That's going to be kind of tricky. The dry pollen sub, we've already figured I've got 6.75 pounds.